Hey everybody, it's Tay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Diving in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which is only $5. Next, I'm using Revolution Canvas Base on my base just to intensify my colors. And if you were wondering, no, these eyebrows are not fresh. So I took a neon eyeliner and I lined my crease just to get a starting point of where I'm going to go. Taking an opposite color of the neon that I chose just to contrast it a little bit, I'm blending that out on top of my crease. Now you can follow your own crease or you can make your own. I make my own because my crease is very low. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually below my eyeliner. You're going to see me blend a lot in this video just because I want everything to look a little bit more feathered out, and I didn't want my the purple to look too harsh. I just use whatever brush works best for me, so the one that I'm using is the Urban Decay brush in the electric palette. Also, apologize for the corner filming. I tried so hard not to do that, but every time I checked, I thought I got myself in the cut, and then when I was applying makeup, I was kind of over to the side. Next, I'm using the white eyeshadow powder on top of my base just to brighten things up a little bit, and then I'm going to be adding in yellow eyeshadow to brighten it up. Just so that way I know it's not going anywhere, I'm packing as much yellow on as I can without it being too chalky. Less jumpy in my other audio. It's because I've been recording on different days because this girl can't talk to save her life. So tell me why I was never a fan of yellow up until recently. Maybe it's because we've had just such a long winter, but anything bright anymore, any neons, I just love. Now with my Morphe James Charles palette, I'm using the green and the yellow and the white to brighten my base. I never really know what kind of look I'm going for when I apply my makeup until it's done. So, with that being said, I really like the way this is going. Now I'm just following the green out underneath of that neon eyeliner that I applied for the cut crease. Just winging that out. I felt like the purple was too one-dimensional, so I added a little bit darker shade right above the crease just to make it look like I have deeper set eyes than I actually do. Yes, one of my most favorite parts is using highlighter to improve the full potential of the yellow eyeshadow. I wanted the yellow to glow a little bit more because all of the matte eyeshadow, I don't know, I just felt like it was getting a little chalky, so I just wanted to amp it up a bit. I'm just going back and fixing some things, coloring some things up a little bit more. And with my Urban Decay glitter liner, I'm just going in my cut crease. Yes. I've actually had that for about 4 years, so it's probably expired, but the funny thing is it lasts me this long and I use it all of the time. So go Urban Decay. Really wish I brushed my hair back. Now since I don't have extremely deep set eyes, I avoided placing the glitter directly in the crease. Instead I placed it on top so that way you could kind of see it a little bit when I blend. Going back in my James Charles palette, I'm just sweeping underneath of my eye with the purple real quick. I wanted the colors to be a little bit more tropical, so I added some orange. And now I'm just blending the orange into the purple. I'm adding some highlight in the corner of my eye to brighten up the yellow. And then I'm taking the neon eyeliner that I started out with in the beginning of my tutorial, and I'm applying it right on top of the green just to give it a sharper look. I always like to add a cute little twinkle in the corner of my eye by adding a rhinestone, and then going over top of my brow bones with highlighter. Now we're almost finished with the look, but next we want to pop on some lashes. Let's pretend like my mascara application wasn't messy and I didn't get any on my eyeshadow. And just like that, we're done. Thanks so much for watching my makeup tutorial. I had so much fun doing this look and filming this, and I really miss you guys. So comment and subscribe if you want more videos like this.